Let's talk about this painter's tape. Seriously, I spent the last 2 weeks wrestling with masking jobs, and I needed something reliable. I wasn't looking for fancy, but I was looking for tape that wouldn't crumble halfway through a project. The problem is, I tried so many masking tapes, cheap ones that tear, expensive ones that stick too stubbornly, and this one, well, it's a mixed bag. Initially, the adhesive felt fantastic. It grabbed onto the walls instantly, and the blue color was a nice, clean line. But, after a few days, especially with warmer temperatures, the tape started to lose its grip. It wasn't a dramatic peel-off, more like a gradual loosening, which is incredibly frustrating when you're halfway through a complex painting. The tape itself is fairly narrow, just 0.94 inches, which is fine for smaller areas, but it meant I was using a lot of tape to cover a larger wall. I'd estimate I used roughly 4 rolls for a decent-sized room. The premium competitor I was comparing this to? About $30 for a similar quantity, but this set was around $15. A definite win on price. The honest truth is, the adhesive isn't consistently strong, particularly in warmer conditions, and that's my main niggle. It's a minor inconvenience, certainly, but it adds to the time and effort required to get a clean, crisp line. Imagine you're working on a weekend, trying to get that accent wall done before the week starts, and suddenly, you're spending an extra half-hour meticulously reapplying the tape because it's lost its bite. It's a small thing, but it disrupts the flow. I was envisioning a Sunday afternoon, sunlight streaming through the window as I carefully painted the last details of a geometric design on the living room wall. The scent of fresh paint filled the air, a quiet focus, and the satisfying precision of a perfectly masked line. Then, I'd notice a slight lifting, a subtle shift in the tape's position, and the whole process would be momentarily halted. It's a frustrating interruption to a creative flow. The tape itself feels decent, not flimsy, and easy enough to tear by hand. It's definitely suitable for a range of surfaces, from wood to glass, but you'll need to be mindful of the temperature. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.